Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to discuss about the Indian citizenship. We are also going to discuss about the method of acquiring Indian citizenship and how a person loses their citizenship and different methods regarding the citizenship. Hope you will get some knowledge. So please watch the video till last. Citizenship. Citizens are those members of the populations of a state who enjoys all the rights, civil as well as political, under the protection of the state in return for the allegiance they owe to it. According to Lasky, citizenship is the contributions of one instructed judgment to public goodwills. In the other word of Blackwell, citizenship means a full and responsible membership of the state. Citizen implies four things. Number one, civil and political rights which citizens enjoy under the protection of the state. Number two, duties which citizens render to the state, including the duty to promote general welfare. Number 3. The allegiance, that is the royalty or the sentiments of the patriot devotions and contribution towards the advancements and the welfare of the whole community. In his work Equality Brains, Turner's hold that in contemporary time, citizen has three main dimensions. Civil citizenship meaning equality of all the citizens before law and the enjoyment of equal rights and liberty by them. Number 2. Political citizenship meaning enjoyment of equal political rights by the citizen and equal opportunities for the participations in political process. Number 3. Social citizenship meaning equal guarantees of a basic minimum level of economic and social welfare. The positive aspect of citizenship. But to say that a citizen enjoys right guaranteed by the state and owes allegiance to it is to take a rather narrow and formal view of the matter. Now, citizenship belongs to all. At present, however, democratic ideas have established their empire on the minds of the man, and citizenship has come to be regarded as a birthright of all those who belongs to a state and not as the monopoly of a privileged class. Citizens and subject. A distinction is sometimes made between citizens and subject. Strictly speaking, all citizens may be called subject because they are subject to the authority of the state which possesses sovereignty. But the term subject has become distasteful because of its association with obsolete monarchy and feudalism. Nowadays, only the citizens of a country which has a monarch, absolute or limited, as in Britain or Japan, for example, are termed subject. Citizens and alien. A more important difference is that between citizens and alien. A alien is an individual who resides temporarily or permanently on the territory of a state without owing allegiance to it. For instance, there are several foreigners in India working as doctors, teachers, missionaries, traders, or technicians. Some of them have spent a life in the country, but they are not Indian citizens because they owe the allegiance to the country of their own. As a rule, aliens enjoy the same civil right as citizens do. They obey the law of the country and pay taxes like the citizen. The difference between them lies in respect of political rights. An alliance does not enjoy this right. He has a right to reside but does not enjoy the right to vote or to take an active part in the affairs of the state. Alliance friends and alliance enemy. When a state is at a war against another alliance living in it, are called alliance friend. When they belong to a friendly power or alien enemies, they belong to a country against which the state is fighting the war. Method of acquiring citizenship. There are five modes of acquiring citizenship. They are birth, nationalization, reintegration, subjugations, and cession. Number 1. Citizen by birth. A vast majority of persons acquire citizen by birth and seldom change it afterwards. It has been therefore regarded as the most prominent of all the methods of acquiring citizenship. Citizenship by nationalization. International law recognizes that an alien can become a citizen of the state and adopted by that state. The process by which citizenship is conferred on an alien is known as neutralization. It must, however, be understood that neutralization is a matter regulated by each state according to their own conception of the degree to which the national unity will be promoted by extending its citizenship to outsider. Number 3. Reintegration. It is a method by which an individual who has lost his citizenship neutralization abroad can regain his original citizenship by fulfilling certain conditions. This is called reassumption. Number 4. Citizenship by subrogation. When the territory of a state is subjected, then its inheritance automatically acquire the citizenship of the subjugated state. Number 5. Citizenship by creeding. When a state creates a part of its territory to another state, its residing in that part becomes citizens of the state to whom the territory has been created. Method of lodging citizenship. Every state has the right and the freedom to determine the condition on which the citizenship of its nation may be forfeited. There are five methods of losing citizenship. They are release, deprivation, expiration, renewation, and substitution. Number 1. Release. Majority of the state recognize the right of their subject to demand release from the citizenship of the state. Such a demand, if a state denationalize the released individual. Deprivation. The state reserve the right to deprive its nations from its citizenship on the happening of certain incidents. Absence. The citizens of a state can be denationalized by their home government if they reside abroad for a certain length of time. The time limit is fixed by the state legislation. Renouncing. This method is applied when a child acquires citizenship of two nations. In such a case, the child on attaining the age of maturity or adult status is allowed to renounce one of the citizenship through a declaration, a loss of one citizenship. Next come marriage. A woman who marries an alliance acquires the citizenship of her husband and hence loses her original citizenship. The Indian Citizenship Act 1955 provides for the terminations and deprivations of citizenship under certain circumstances. Section 8, 9, 10 deals with the provisions relating to loss of citizenship. Section 8 of the Act provides that if any citizen of India of full age and capacity who is also a citizen of another state makes in a prescribed manner a declaration through renouncing his Indian citizenship. Double citizenship. Double citizenship may be result of voluntary or an inadvertent act. It can be produced by each mode of acquiring nationality. Dual citizenship can also result from marriage. If an woman marries somebody not of her own citizens, she may retain her citizenship in accordance with the law of her own state, at the same time acquires the citizenship of her husband as well as in accordance with the law of the state of which her husband is a national. For example, an American woman after marrying an Englishman acquired double citizenship of both the USA as well as Great Britain according to their municipal laws. Double citizenship always gives rise to the problem of conflict between loyalty towards the parent state and obligations towards the second state. Stateless. It is a natural consequence of conflict between the citizenship law of different countries. Stateless persons do not have any protection under international law. The effort for reducing the incidence of statelessness are an evidence of the fact that since citizenship is the link between the individual and the rights guaranteed to him under law, it is both illogical and offensive to human dignity that the laws should permit a condition of statelessness. The state should evolve uniform rules relating to the condition of statelessness. The states should evolve uniform rule relating to the acquisitions of the nationality by birth, marriage, or by naturalizations. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you have get some knowledge from it. So friends, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.